Everything's ready. I'm really glad it's you. Let's go.
Copy, Mr. Trump. Don't worry, I won't mess up your hair.
Step on it, we're late.
As a country's leader, you're always in the spotlight and rarely escape recognition. So it's crucial for leaders to maintain a presence, appearing accessible to their constituents while balancing their safety and security. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at 10 best presidential motorcades from around the world. Number 10. North Korea. As the ruler of one of the world's most isolated nations, Kim Jong-un's position comes with unique challenges, not least of which involves his personal security. This results in extraordinary measures to ensure his safety, especially during his travels. Given the rarity of car ownership in North Korea, Kim's lavish $1.6 million Maybach S600 commands attention whenever it appears on the streets, often flanked by a convoy of blacked-out security vehicles and motorcycle escorts. Besides the Maybach, Kim also has a Range Rover L322, and his fleet is versatile to accommodate the varying terrains of North Korea, from its underdeveloped road infrastructure to its rugged countryside. For international trips, after arriving by his private train, Kim transitions to high-end vehicles like the Rolls-Royce Phantom 7 or the Mercedes-Maybach W22 S600 Pullman, the acquisition of which raises eyebrows given the sanctions on the country. The secrecy around his motorcade's full specifications is heavy, but it's known to include vehicles for his retinue, a medical squad, security measures including communication jammers, and a counter-assault team. Uniquely, his convoy carries a car equipped with a toilet, avoiding the need for public restrooms. This peculiarity is not just for security. The official line claims he is beyond mortal needs, while there is also concern that his biological wastes could be harvested for information on his health, a prospect that carries dire implications. Number 9. Malaysia. In Malaysia, government officials, including the Prime Minister, are mandated to use domestically produced cars. The Prime Minister's vehicle of choice is a specially modified, armored Proton Perdana, part of a heavily protected convoy that includes the special military units of Pasukan Garikan Khas and armored vehicles such as Volvo XC90s, Proton X70s, Honda CR-Vs, along with Honda VFR 800 and Kawasaki GTR motorcycles for additional security. The illustrious royal family has its own fleet of luxurious cars for their travels, including a Mercedes SLS, Bentley Continental GT, Mercedes G63 6x6 Brabus stretched Hyundai Genesis, or a black Maybach 62 for the Yangdi Pertuan Agong, while the Sultans prefer Rolls-Royce Phantoms or exotic supercars, all escorted by a substantial entourage of cars and bikes for safety and traffic control. Number 8. United Kingdom. In the UK, the Prime Minister's convoy is considerably smaller compared to the US President's, but it promises an exciting ride given the luxury and speed of the vehicles involved. Leading the procession is the Jaguar XJ Sentinel, a high-security version of the standard Jaguar XJ, enhanced with Kevlar reinforcement, blast protection, and even gun ports for dire situations. Despite the heavy security modifications, this car can reach speeds of up to 123 miles per hour, outpacing the US President's vehicle, which tops out at 60 miles per hour. Accompanying the Prime Minister are Jaguar R3 Range Rover Sports for security and entourage, along with a team of 4 BMW motorcycles handling crowd control and clearing the path, making this convoy an impressive sight on the move. Number 7. China. President of China, Xi Jinping's transportation method may lack the custom-built flair of his American and Russian counterparts, but his security and comfort are not compromised. His entourage is transported in a fleet of 5 indigenously manufactured Honky L5 sedans, each with an impressive price tag of over $1 million and levels of comfort rivaling that of a Rolls-Royce. Enhanced with state-of-the-art security, the fleet employs clever tactics to protect the president. All vehicles appear identical, often using flags or security details to indicate the president's presence only when necessary, with the remainder serving as decoys. Unlike other leaders who often use BMW motorcycles for security, the convoy is secured by Chinese-made IIHS GW250J motorbikes. Unique to President Xi, this motorcade is exclusively deployed within China, while he relies on vehicles provided by the host nation during international visits. Number 6. Brunei. The Sultan of Brunei boasts the world's largest private car collection, valued at over $5 billion and encompassing more than 7,000 vehicles, enabling him to select the ideal vehicle for any occasion. Among this vast collection are 11 customized Ferrari F40s, 10 of the 106 McLaren F1, at least 4 Bugatti EB110s, and over 500 Rolls-Royce cars, including unique models like a 24-karat gold-plated Silver Spur 2. Not bound by national speed limits, the Sultan often explores the full capabilities of these high-performance cars on public roads, typically within a convoy of up to 30 vehicles, including numerous security cars ensuring clear and safe passage. Number 5. France. In France, the tradition of providing state cars for national leaders has resulted in a dedicated museum in Paris, showcasing these vehicles that initially allowed dignitaries to engage with the public. Nowadays, given the heightened security concerns, these vehicles prioritize safety. The French president has the luxury of choosing from several armored vehicles for transportation, including models like the Citroën DS5 Hybrid 4 and the Renault Velstis, all manufactured in France. Since taking office in 2017, Emmanuel Macron has expanded the presidential fleet to include a DS7 Crossback, the first luxury SUV from DS Automobiles, among others. Ensuring that whether for daily use or military parades, the presidential convoy is uniformly armored, offering top-tier protection for Macron and his entourage. Number 4. Russia. President Vladimir Putin of Russia is well known for his heightened concern for personal security, a caustious sentiment that is reflected in the impressive details of his presidential convoy. His retinue is only marginally less expensive than that of the US presidents, essentially serving as a mobile fortress. Putin's primary mode of state transport is a specially designed 23-foot Auris Sonat, a collaborative creation of NAMI and Porsche engineers, weighing in at more than 6 tons and fortified with undisclosed security enhancements worth millions. Accompanying this armored Leviathan are 3 high-performance Mercedes G-Class SUVs, capable of navigating almost any landscape at speeds up to 220 kilometers per hour, should a swift evacuation from the slower flagship Auris Sonat be necessary. Additionally, the convoy includes a squad of 6 BMW motorcycles responsible for crowd control and ensuring a clear path for the motorcade, demonstrating a meticulous approach to the Russian leader's safety and movement. Number 3. Germany. As the leader of one of the world's wealthiest and most renowned engineering powerhouses, German Chancellor Olaf Scholz who came into office in 2021, travels in unmatched elegance and security. His official vehicle, the Mercedes S680 Guard, stands as a pinnacle of luxury and safety. This car, a significant step up from its civilian counterpart, boasts 2 tons of extra armor for bullet and bomb protection, a special air tank against gas attacks, and several undisclosed advanced features, justifying its approximate price tag of $750,000. Beyond the flagship Mercedes, the Convoy includes several stylish yet less lavish BMW 5 Series cars for the entourage and additional Mercedes 5-class vehicles for security personnel, alongside 4 supporting motorcycles. Notably, Germany's state motorcade not only proves more cost-effective, but also greener than its counterparts, with the main vehicle emitting a fraction of the carbon compared to the US President's Convoy, highlighting Germany's commitment to efficiency and environmental sustainability. Number 2. India. India, with its vast population and burgeoning economy, is poised to become a global superpower under the leadership of its president. Reflecting this status, the country has equipped its presidential motorcade with an impressive addition: a new Mercedes-Maybach S600 Pullman Guard. This vehicle, designated for both the president and high-profile guests, boasts level 9 ballistic protection against a range of attacks, including explosives and military rifles, alongside a backup air supply for chemical threats, run-flat tires, night vision cameras, automatic fire suppression, and deploying shields, ensuring unparalleled safety. Uniquely, it sports the Indian flag in lieu of a number plate. Accompanying this state-of-the-art vehicle and the Convoy is the previous presidential car, another armored Mercedes-Benz limo, serving as a dependable alternative. Number 1. United States. The United States boasts arguably the most renowned presidential motorcade, designed to transport the president both domestically and internationally with unparalleled comfort and safety. This convoy is critical for maintaining the president's ability to govern effectively, even while away from the Oval Office. At the heart of the motorcade is the Beast, a highly modified Cadillac equipped with military-grade bulletproof glass, an independent oxygen supply for chemical attacks, and even vials of the president's blood in case of medical emergencies. Valued at approximately $15 million, the Beast is just the tip of the iceberg. Accompanying it are around 23 Chevrolet Suburbans tasked with transporting essential equipment, the president's staff, security teams, advisors, and medical personnel. Additionally, a fleet of 8 BMW motorcycles, manned by uniformed officers, leads and secures the motorcade's path, ensuring seamless travel through traffic.